Okay, so let's start, kids. What are we learning about? Can you all tell me what are we learning about? Yes? What are we learning about? What? What is behind teacher? Who's this? Who's this behind teacher? Hey there. Hey there. Who's that? It's a bird, right? See, there are two birdies. Hi. Hi. What are we learning about? We are learning about birds, right? We are learning about birds. Okay, before that. Yes. Okay. Hanjala, are you there? Yes. Please keep the toys aside. Vihan, keep it aside. Yes. Okay. Vihan, can you tell me what are we learning about? Yes? What are we learning about, Vihan? Hanjala, what are we learning about? Yes, we are learning about birds, right? What are we learning about? Birds. Say everyone, we are learning about birds. And are we all gonna fly like birds? Yes? Are we gonna fly like birds? No. We are gonna fly now like birds, okay? Teacher will just put her background off and I'm gonna tell you all a beautiful story today, okay? So let's see. Come on, let me just adjust my screen and then we start, okay? Get set. Can you all see everyone? Get side. Yes. Come on. First, let's all fly like birds, okay? Yes. Who joined in? Okay. Do you all remember Sam, everyone? Do you all remember Sam? Even Sam is there in this story. Do you know? Sam is also there in this story. Okay, so let's start with our story, everyone. Yes? Before that, let's fly. Come on, let's fly like birds. Show me how you fly. Fly like birds. Yes, fly. Very good, Isaiah. Very good, Grill. Uriel, show me how you fly like a bird. Come on, Kian. Hi, good morning. Vihan, how do you fly like a bird? Hanzala, how do you fly like a bird? Wow, Vihan, very good. Very good, Hanzala. Kian, show me how you fly like a bird. Yes. Wow. Yes, everyone show me how do you fly like a bird. Fly like a bird. Fly. Fly. Yes, fly like a bird. Very nice. Now can you all see, kids? There is something there on the tree. What is on the tree? Can you all see? What's on the tree there? Is there a bird on the tree? Yes? Yes. We are going to zoom in and see, okay? Teacher is going to take you closer. Yes, which bird is it? Which bird is it? Yes, it's a parrot. Very nice. Beautiful. So today I'm going to tell you all a story about this parrot, okay? So everyone please mute yourself. Yes, please mute yourself. So once upon a time, I was walking and I seen there was a beautiful tree. And this naughty Sam, you know Sam is very naughty, right? Sam was throwing stones on the tree because he seen there was a bird and he wanted the bird to fly. But the bird wasn't flying. So he kept throwing stones on the bird. Naughty Sam kept throwing stones. 1, 2, 3. And do you know what happened? The bird got hurt and it fell down from the tree. Oh no! What have you done, Sam? You're such a naughty boy. You shouldn't do this. But as I was passing by, I seen the wounded bird and I lifted it up. Teacher is a good girl. I seen that the bird was crying. I'm hurt. Please took the bird home and I put medicine for his leg and for his wing. Can you see the wing is hurt? It's all red in color. So I put medicine for the bird and the bird went to sleep. Now, while the bird was sleeping, I thought this bird cannot fly. I am going to keep it in my house and I am going to take care of this bird. I am a good girl, right? So what I did, I went to the market fast, okay? I took my purse and I went to the market, okay? Yes. And what did I bring from the market? I bought a beautiful house, like a cage for the bird. Okay, so let's put this up now. We'll put this cage up and see how it looks, okay? Oh, isn't it beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful, right? Wow, the bird is going to be so happy. Now, the bird woke up from his sleep. So I said, "Hey birdie, how are you feeling now? Is your wing proper? See, I made a beautiful house for you." No, I don't want to stay here. I cannot understand what you're saying, birdie. I'm going to put you inside the cage. Wow, my birdie looks so cute inside the cage. Can you see? Let's push him a little. Wow, he's gonna enjoy. See, look at him. Yes. But after some time, the birdie started crying. I want to go home, he said. What does he say? I want to go home. He would cry and cry and cry. So I again went to the market and I bought some flowers for him. See, beautiful flowers. I said, "Take, birdie, this is for you." But the birdie, he had kept crying. He was like, "I don't want the flowers. I don't want anything." So I bought food for the birdie. See, I bought so nice food for the birdie and I gave the birdie to eat. The birdie was very hungry. So the birdie ate. Okay, the birdie ate. The parrot ate the food. But after some time, again he started crying. He wanted to go home. I was just wondering what is happening. I thought maybe he wants to sit down. So I put the cage down. Okay. I put the cage down. Now, I wanted to find out what is the problem. So I went back to the tree. So let's go to the tree again, yes? Are we all going to go to the tree? Yes, we'll go to the tree. We are walking. What do you think was on the tree that the parrot wanted to go back? Yes? What was on the tree? Can you see? Yes, what is this? Oh yes, there was a nest, right? Yes, there was a nest. And what was inside the nest? Yes, oh my God, you all are so smart. Yes, so the parrot had laid eggs, right? The parrot had laid eggs. And this was a mama parrot. I came to know, oh no, this poor parrot wants to go home because there are eggs in the nest and she has to hatch them. I felt very bad for the parrot. Now the parrot was fine. So I took the parrot back to the tree and the parrot went happily flying to the tree and sat on the eggs. See? Is the parrot sitting on the eggs? See, I'm going to show you. Let's zoom in and see, okay? Yes, see? The parrot is sitting on the eggs. Now the parrot is very happy. Okay? Yes. So what do you all understand from the story? Can you all tell me what do you all understand from the story? What we should do? Should we throw stones on birds? Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? Should we throw stones on birds? Yes? No, right? We should not throw stones on birds, right? Because they are very delicate, right? They are very, very delicate. See? We are going to see how the body is. See? What does bird has? Can you all tell me? What is this in front? This is the beak of the bird. What? This is the beak of the bird. Say everyone. Beak. Beak. Yes, beak. Okay. How about this? What is this? Yes? What is this? Tail. Say what is this? Tail. See? Tail. Yes, just like doggies. See, doggies also have tails, right? See, who's this? This is Loki. Who's this? Loki. Loki has a tail? Yes, Loki has a tail. See? Shoki waggy tail. See? Loki has a tail. In the same way, birds as well have tails. Right? Birds have tails. And they have wings. See? Flappy wings. See? Birds have wings. And what is their body made of? Yes? What are they covered with? See, our hands and all have hair around us, right? Can you see? See, there is hair. See? Check your hand, everyone. See, all around our body we have hair. In the same way, birds, instead of hair, they have feathers. See, I'm going to show you all some feathers. See how many feathers teacher has? See? Blue color, pink color, purple color, right? So many feathers. So bird's body is made of feathers. Say bird's body is made of feathers. Okay. Let me just get the nest closer. You can see the nest, okay? 1 second. Okay, come on. What is this? Everyone say, what is this? Nest. What is this? Nest. Say, nest. Birds. Yes, birds lay eggs in the nest. What? Birds lay eggs in the... Grail, mute yourself, dear. Birds lay eggs in the nest. Okay? What is this? Egg. Say everyone. Egg. Say what is this? Egg. Yes. Egg. Yes. Okay. What is this? Nest. And this is egg. Whose home is this? Whose home? This is a bird's home. Right? It is a bird's house. A bird stays in the nest, right? On the tree. The nest is on the tree. Okay, I'm just going to show you all that now. Wait. Okay, 2 minutes. Teacher will come back to a normal position and then I'm going to show you all something. Hey there. Hi, Isaiah. Who's a good boy today? Isaiah is a good boy today. Very nice. Okay. So, as I said, this is a nest. Okay. See, what the bird lays eggs in the nest. This is what we seen just now, right? And what comes out from the nest? See what comes out from the eggs? Birdies. Can you all see? So cute birdies are come out of the eggs. Yes, cutie birdies. Hi. 1, 2 and 3. See, 3 birdies are there, right? 3 birdies coming out from the eggs. Yes. Okay, so mama hatches the eggs, right? Now, once these birdies are born, what mama does for them? Yes? What do you think mama does for them? Mama brings food for them. See? Can you see? Mama bird brings food, worms. They are very, very hungry when they are small. They cannot fly. When they are small, they cannot fly. Just like babies. Babies cannot walk, right? Babies cannot walk in the same way. Birds cannot fly when they are small. And that's why mama bird brings food for the Chintu birds, right? Yes. Okay. And birds live on trees. Where do birds live? On trees. Say everyone, birds live on trees. Yes, where birds live? They live on trees. And they sing together like tweet, 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 coo, coo. Right? Yes, see? They also have families just like ours. So, next time when you see a bird, are you all going to throw a stone on it? Yes? No, right? We should not harm anyone. Let it be human, let it be birds, let it be animals. We should not harm anyone. We should be good children, right? We should not be like Sam. Sam is a naughty boy. Sam only hurts others, right? Yes, so we should not be like Sam, right? Yes. Okay. So, now tell me, what do birds have? Yes? Who's going to tell me? Come on. Uriel, come on, tell me. I'm going to show you the parts of a bird. Come on. Uriel, what is this called as? Say beak. What? Beak. Say beak. Beak. Say Uriel, beak. Isaiah, what is this? Isaiah? Beak. Very good. Beak. It pecks, right? With the beak. Peck, peck, peck. Okay. Grail. Grail. What are these? See, the bird have eyes. Yes. Are these eyes? Yes. Yes, eyes. The birds have eyes because they also have to see, right? Where they are flying. They have to see where they are flying. Yes, very good. Okay, Kian. Kian, what is this? Tell me. What is this? Birds have wings. Yes. Do we have wings? We have wings. Do we have wings? Yes or no? No, we don't have wings, right? The birds flap, 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 and they fly up in the sky, right? Yes, that's why they can live on trees. Okay. Let's see who's next. Vihan. Vihan, can you tell me what is this? Very good boy. What is this? Tail. This is the tail of the bird. Very good. And what is the bird's body covered with? Who's going to tell me this? What is the bird's body covered with? Wow! Very good. Very good boy. Yes, very good. Come on everyone. Tell me, what is the bird's body covered with? Feathers. What? Feathers. Yes, see? So pretty feather, right? Yeah, so nice and soft and tickly. What? They're so nice, soft and tickly. Yes, what is this? Feather. What? Feather. Say everyone. Feather. Yes, feather. Okay. So today what did we learn? We learnt about birds, right? Birds live in a nest, right? Their house is a nest. And we should not harm birds. We learnt about a beautiful story of how teacher saved a bird, right? We should also save birds, right? We should save birds. We should protect animals, right? Yes, because we are good children, right? We are not naughty like Sam. Do you want to be naughty like Sam? No, right? Yes. Okay, so we all are going to be good children and protect birds and animals, right? Yes. Okay. So kids, do you all have any questions? Yes? Anything? Have you all seen a bird anywhere? Come on, can you all tell me, have you all seen a bird anywhere?